Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do an unboxing. I recently received a portable blender and I am so excited. I've been looking into these things. I've been looking on Amazon, and then ironically somebody from Amazon had sent this to me to do a review on, and it's so cute. So I want to unbox it and see how it works and let you guys know what I think. So even though it does show a blue one on the package, it's saying that I got a white one. It looks like it comes in white and then this green blue color, and then it comes in a pink color, which also looks really pretty, but I think I'll probably like the white one better because white goes with most things. And then it looks like there's this burnt orange one also. So I feel like almost like a color for everybody, you know? Ooh, so this is what it looks like out of the package. It's got the little on and off button right here. The blades look really nice, really thick, and the glass, it feels a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be, only because you can kind of tell it's like this really thick glass, which is really nice. Open that up. It looks really nice. I like it. Alright, then it also comes with, oh, it's like a little cleaner brush. It's cute. And okay, then it comes with its charger right here. And let's see. Oh, there it is. It's in the front. It was just kind of hidden. It's just kind of hidden. So that's where we would be charging it. And then it looks like it comes with a bottom piece. And I looked online and it's showing that the bottom piece is so that this can be portable. What you would essentially do is take this piece off after you're done blending. You put this top on. That way you can carry it with you. Check that out. It's like a little handle. That's so awesome. Okay, so the box says that the charging time is about 3 to 5 hours. The idle protection, it turns off in about 5 seconds on its own. But fully charged, you can use it up to 20 times, which I think is pretty good. In the directions, obviously, you put in all the stuff that you like. You probably put in like your fruit and then your liquid. It says that you should leave about 1 inch or 2 from the top, and then you put in your ice, and then you push this for 2 seconds to start it, and it just blends everything up. So we are actually going to head over into the kitchen and try this little baby out. All right, so it says press for 2 seconds. 2. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Looks like it's got a little light going on. I think it's just to tell you that it's working or that it's on. It's not too loud. So I'm going to be making one of my favorite protein smoothies. We're going to take off the top. I really love that this top has a handle to it also. We're going to scoop in some peanut butter. I'm going to add a scoop of protein powder, a cup of almond milk, and then just a little bit of cinnamon. Screw this top back on nice and tight. We are going to test this baby out. Okay, so basically I pressed this for 2 seconds and then it went on to blend for about 5 seconds, and I did it about 3 times for this one. I wasn't sure if all the ice was done. It seemed like it was, but I just wanted some of the peanut butter that was stuck on the sides to kind of blend in. So I'm going to pour it in a cup and show you guys how well it blended. Okay, so I'm going to turn this upside down, and I'm going to take the bottom off and then try to attach this first to see how easy it comes apart. Okay, here it goes. The other way. Then you would just pop this up and carry it around until you're ready to drink it. This will actually make things a whole lot easier in my mornings for my blended coffees and yeah, for my protein shakes. That's awesome. Like everything blended pretty well. Looks like cleanup's actually going to be pretty simple because all the pieces come apart. Okay, and then to charge this, when you're not using it, it doesn't come with a block, but it does come with a cord. You'll want to remove this piece. And it's just a little micro USB, which is really nice because I feel like everybody has one of these. And then it lights up to let you know that it's charging, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. All right guys, so my honest opinion, I love this thing. I am a little obsessed with it, to be honest. I think that is excellent for the price. It's only $35 on Amazon, and it is so handy and versatile, and you could literally take this anywhere with you. So you could take this on picnics, on camping trips, you could take this to the gym, you can take this to work, and you can blend all of your favorite juices, smoothies, protein shakes, and I am super big on my drinks like that. I am so happy that I got the opportunity to review this. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these, I will put the link from the Amazon store down in my description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye!